Hi, welcome to our YouTube channel. We are as always Arne and Carlos.
And today we are out in our garden. It looks so magical with the frost on all the tree branches and the leaves and everything. It's a blanket of snow or frost, and it's magical, isn't it, Arne?
It's beautiful today.
And it's just as magical as the number that we've just passed. We've passed 50,000 subscribers on our YouTube channel. Yay!
That's a lot of people.
That's a lot of people, and we really, from the bottom of our hearts, we want to thank you all for supporting us and our channel for all these years that we've been doing it. We're over 3 years now, and it's really, really amazing, isn't it?
It is.
So now we want to do something for you. What do we want to do, Arne?
We will see some of the projects that you made,
Yes.
inspired of our YouTube videos.
Yes, please send us projects, pictures of the projects that you've made. You can send them to the email that is going to be appearing here on the screen and in the description. Send your images to this email. We promise that we will look at every single one of them, and we will feature them in a 50,000 plus subscribers special that will be coming very soon.
That will be cool.
That will be so cool. So once again, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for all your support, and we can't wait to see all the wonderful things that you have created inspired from our channel. So see you soon.
See you.
Bye.
Bye.